Welcome, Info is a DOOGEE S50, and today I'll show you how to enter the recovery mode. So to get started, let's hold the power key and select power off and confirm it. And once the device shuts off, you then want to hold power key and volume up. So power, volume up, both of the keys at the same time. And once you see the logo, you can let go. And you can see that we're now in the recovery mode. So from here, as you can see, you can do several things. Starting off, to navigate, you will use volume keys. As you can see, touch screen doesn't work, and power key is used to confirm. So you can see that you can reboot system, which basically goes back to Android. Reboot to bootloader, which will, I assume, go to download mode. Then you have apply updates from either SD card or ATP, wipe data, wipe cache partition, check the root integrity, mount system, view logs, and run a graph test or graphics test, and just simply power off the device. Now, whatever you select, which for me I'm just going to select the reboot to leave this mode. Whatever you select, press power key, and it will be then confirmed. And as you can see, now the device is back on, and we're back in the Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.